Hi, today it's day 10 and today I don't have a real challenge, but I was in my local craft store to get some more acrylic Easter eggs, especially big ones, and so I bought these, two of these. They are about, I think, 15 or 16 centimeters. I bought paper bags. I bought some ribbon, gold and white with pearls, and white lace, and pink and silver ribbon, and some kind of lace in silver. They had the same in gold. This is gold. They had the same in silver. Then I needed some tacky tape, so I bought 3 millimeters, I think, and 12 millimeters. Then some acrylic paint for one of my next videos. Cute flowers, paper flowers. More flowers. They even have leaves, extra leaves. Some cool breads. And last thing, some papers. Back, right. It's Christmas paper. Christmas is over, but it's cute. Oh, that's the back. It has a back. And this one. That's the back. That's my video for today. See you tomorrow.